Childish Dad wants to watch Rusty Rivets. Requested by a Russian person.
Coming up next on Nick Jr. Rusty Rivets.
Great. Rusty is on. I can't wait to meet his friends as they build with their tools.
Hey Dad, what are you doing?
Brian, Rusty Rivets is on the television. Let me watch it right now.
Oh my god. Dad, why are you watching Rusty Rivets on Nick Jr.? You know you're too old for Rusty Rivets. Why can't you watch The Office? It's an adult and teenagers show.
But Brian, I really don't know what's so clever about watching Rusty Rivets and all his friends. So can I please watch it?
No. Absolutely not.
Why? I want to watch Rusty Rivets. 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 Please, let me watch Rusty Rivets right now. Why?
Dad, stop it right now. You're not watching Rusty Rivets and that's final.
What is all this childish crap going here? We hear our dad acting childish all day, right?
Hey, don't call me childish. 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 I'm 40 years old. You can't force me to watch The Office. Why?
Yes, you are, Dad. You're the worst dad in our entire home.
No, I'm not. 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 I'm not the worst in the entire family. Why?
Man, Dad is too old for Rusty Rivets. I'm only 12, and Emma is 10, and we don't watch Rusty Rivets anymore.
Same here. Okay, Dad, you're grounded. Go to your room right now.
Ew.